Good evening everyone. Today I will to discuss about the topic of online shopping versus offline shopping. Online online and offline shopping offer various experience, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Here's comparison. First is convention. Convention means in this online shopping, convention advantages is you can shop from anywhere at any time, including late at night or early in the morning. Disadvantages: you can't physically examine or try the product before purchasing. Next, offline shopping. Convention in offline shopping advantage is instant gathering. You can immediately take the product, same and use it. Next, next point, product variety. Product variety. In online shopping, access to a global marketplace with a vast range of the product and brand. Disadvantages is overall option can lead to decide dare. In offline shopping, product variety is physical store may have certain selection, making choice early. Disadvantages disadvantages is comparison required visiting multiple store. Next is third point, price comparison. Online shopping price comparison. In online shopping, easy to compare price across different retailers and find the best deal. Disadvantages of online shopping: additional cost like shopping can sometimes offset saving. Next, offline shopping in price comparison. Prices are generally clear and you can see if there are any hide fees in front. Disadvantages: comparison request visiting multiple stores, which can be time consuming. Next point, customer experience. In online shopping, reviews and rating from other customer can guide purchase. Disadvantages is customer service can be impersonal and resolving issue may take some time. Offline shopping. Personal interaction with staff can enhance the shopping experience and provide immediate help. Disadvantages is the quality of customer service can be vary significantly from one store to the another store. Next, return and refund. In online shopping, many online retailer offer fees return policy available. Disadvantages is the process can take time and returning item by mail can be not proper. Offline shopping. Offline shopping, return are often instant and handled directly in store. Disadvantages: return policy can be strict and you may have to deal with the store specific policy. Next point is payment option. In online shopping, wide range of the payment option including digital wallets, credit card and buy now pay lateral service. Disadvantages: security is not available in online payment. Offline shopping, cash, card or other payment method are accepted. Disadvantages is less flexibility in payment method compared to the online option. Shopping experience. Online shopping, the experience is often quick and efficient with personalized recommendation based on the browser history. Disadvantages, the lack of experience and social aspect of the shopping in physical store. Offline shop. In offline shopping, the scenario experience touching, trying and seeing product in person is unwatched. Disadvantages is crowd storage and long line experience. Last, all our conclusion is both online and offline shopping have their strength and weakness, and the choice between them often depend on the personal performance, the specific product and the situation. Some shoppers prefer the convenience and variety of the online shopping, while other value the tactile experience and immediately of the offline shopping. Many customers now blended both methods, using online shopping of the convention and offline shopping of the experience and immediate needs.